Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, aim feel easier to make you fly. Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, aim feel easier to make you fly. Here we go.
Okay, so first of all, I want to ask the students, the previous students, that have you guys got all the PDF which I was talking about the other day in our last class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everybody got that PDF?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No. I don't get the PDF.
Two PDFs, no?
Sorry, which one, Divya?
Those three textbooks of aviation, right?
Yes, right. So it was regarding aviation management, and I asked you to go through the abbreviations, if you remember.
I did not get the PDF note, ma'am. How can you send me it?
Okay,
I
you will get.
the,
I can't hear you, Divya. Could you say it again?
I sent it to the group again, the WhatsApp group which we all have.
Okay, so those who have, please send it on the group. Maybe he just joined, so he doesn't have that. Just send it again. And have you guys gone through the terminologies which I was asking you to read once? Have you guys gone through that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you what all abbreviations you guys have gone through or which you do not understand? Just tell me that one first.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Shubham.
ma'am, the freedom of aircraft and first freedom, second freedom.
Yeah, I also do have regards.
Freedom of aircraft.
Freedom of
Freedom of air.
Freedom of air. Okay, let me see. Where it is. Any idea where exactly it is?
air.
Starting F section, ma'am. Letter F.
Okay, wait.
Page number 41, I think.
Okay. Page number 41. 241.
No,
Divya,
41.
I'm not in your WhatsApp group. Can you add me?
Divya, can you add him in the WhatsApp group? Who's the admin of that group?
Madam, I am also not in WhatsApp group. Please add me
Yes,
also.
ma'am. They are not the admin of the groups.
No. Administrative faculty only.
Who's the admin of that group?
Nargis ma'am and Faisal.
Okay, so they will add you, don't worry. Maybe today or tomorrow they will add you in that group. Okay?
You just contact to them only, no? And just tell them to add.
I'll tell them, don't worry. They will add you.
My name is Mustafa. Please add me, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, I am also not there in WhatsApp group.
Okay, so do you have Nargis ma'am's number? How do you contact her?
What is?
No, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, she left the duty yesterday only. Like she
Yeah,
messaged in the group that she is leaving now.
Left there.
Her place.
Okay, so I'll ask Faisal sir to add you guys, don't worry.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay, you said page number 41. What is that? Freedom of air.
air. Yes, ma'am.
I can't read it. Is that the same page where this radial, RAF, repositioning, RMI, is this the same page, Veena?
No, ma'am. Actually, it's on the end portion of module 5, terminologies in airline.
Terminologies in airline. Yes, I have opened that only.
Yeah, on the F section, let's have
On the F section. Okay, wait. B, C, D, E, F. Mhm. Freedom of the area, I got it. So commercial aviation right turning carrier of payload between or within countries. The following are recognized by the ICAO. Commercial aviation right turning carrier of payload between and within countries. First freedom. The right of okay, so this is actually regarding the airspace. Do you understand what airspace is? So every country is just like on land. Our, we have a particular area. For example, you can say when you are in India, India has a particular area on the map, right? Similarly, every country has a particular area. So this is about the land. But when you fly, you have a particular area which comes under a particular country. So once you cross that area, that airspace, it's called the airspace of that particular country. So once you go out of that area, that means the other area which you have entered is someone else. So you need, that's how, for example, we are flying from India to Dubai. So there are different airspaces come in between. So once you are in contact with Delhi air traffic control, but if you are flying further, you are contacting different airspaces, different air traffic controls of that particular area. Alright, it's not the Indian airspace or air traffic control who is controlling you throughout. No, they are with you at a particular distance, but after that you have to switch to other frequency, you have to switch to different airspace air traffic control tower. Okay, so this is basically this, but let me go through it once again. So first freedom, the right to overfly a country without landing. For example, Singapore Airlines from the United States to Singapore overflying Russia. Did you get this point? So example is you are flying Singapore Airlines from United States, from America to Singapore, overflying Russia. They have started from US. They got the US airspace, but they are flying to Singapore. But when they fly to Singapore, Russia comes in between. So they have to fly over Russia also. So they should have the freedom to fly over Russia also. Do you understand that? First of all, switch on your cameras. I want to see everyone. So when you fly to a particular destination, that means you are flying over different countries. So you have to follow their country's protocols. For example, if you are flying, do you guys even aware that if you are flying over Saudi, I'm sorry. So if you are flying over
which PDF?
I'm sorry?
Which PDF is this? Sorry to interrupt.
Which?
PDF. From where, we have to refer the notes.
I did not get that, I'm sorry.
This is paper 1 of
Aviation.
aviation. Then you'll find the heading.
Okay, thank you.
Page number.
Okay, so I was telling you that if you are flying over Saudi Arabia, because it is a very religious place, so that's why there is no liquor service. There is no liquor service we can do even if we are flying over Saudi, right? Because it's the religious place. So it's not like that if you are landing in Saudi Arabia, only then you are not allowed to do the service. If you are flying over Saudi, you are not even coming near to the ground, you are just flying, but till the time there is a Saudi airspace, you cannot do a liquor service because it's banned. So, for example, if you are flying over Saudi, the captain will let you know that, okay, we are going to enter the Saudi airspace. So now just stop doing your liquor service. So you will stop doing your liquor service and you will make an announcement that, okay, we are flying over Saudi Arabia. We cannot do our liquor service. This is the protocol. I mean, nobody is coming up and seeing that, but this is the protocol which you have to follow. Alright, this is something related to the religion and we should respect that. So once you get out of the Saudi airspace and enter another airspace, then you can do your liquor service. So similarly, that's what they are saying here, that you are flying over different countries. So we have to follow the protocols, whatever that particular country has been made. Understood? Any doubt?
Ma'am, is it airspace or aerospace?
Sorry? Airspace.
Airspace?
Not airspace.
Okay.
It's airspace. Okay, second freedom, the right
Okay,
to
thanks.
stop in a country for refusing without transferring payload. For example, Airbus, a Pakistani airline from the UK to Pakistan via Turkey for refueling. So these are the different freedoms actually. You don't need to memorize those things, you just need to understand the basic thing which I have told you. So the second is regarding the refueling, and this is related to basically to the Pakistani, not to Indian airspace or anything like that. So Pakistan Airlines cannot stop anywhere and ask for refueling, just like India. Indian Airlines or especially Air India, if they have any refueling requirement, which is very rare because once you start flying from a particular place, you make sure that you have you have refueled your aircraft enough, and then you are landing to the same destination where you are supposed to. But in case in between the captain feels like, okay, we need more fuel, they can land anywhere. They can tell the ATC that, okay, I need a refueling. They will let you know that where you can land. They can also inform the authorities of that particular airport that you need refueling, and you will get the refueling. Okay, but for Pakistan Airlines, or there are few other countries also, I don't know the exact name, but there are few countries also which which are not allowed to get down anywhere and ask for fuel because of their reputation in the aviation sector. And you cannot, each time you cannot just pay them, you just can't, because captain or first officer, cabin crew are not carrying their cash along with them for the refueling, right? So it's always credit. So we just you can say take credit for refueling and everything, and we pay them later, and that's how it works. But for these few particular airlines or particular countries whose economic situation is not very good, because of that, nobody is ready to give credit to those countries. So they are on their own. Alright? So yeah, it's like all these, there are 9 freedoms. You really don't need to learn all these. You just need to know the basic idea which I give you, that all the airspace have a different protocols. So once you fly over a particular country, you have to follow those rules. You don't need to memorize those rules because you will be a cabin crew or ground staff. So this is related to the captains. Actually, they have to take care, but even captains don't have to take care because ATC is always there to tell them what exactly needs to be done. Okay, so no need to memorize anything, just get the basic idea. Okay, any doubts in this?
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay. Any other abbreviation you guys want me to repeat?
Ma'am, on the same page, pin number.
On the same page,
Pin number, FIN. Pin.
final approach. No, there is something else. CFN below. It is FN. Fleet number. Okay, fleet number, internal number of the use of the aircraft identification. So fleet number, fleet. How do I explain fleet? So a particular type of aircrafts are called because okay. So if somebody will ask me that you are on which fleet, that means they are asking that which aircraft I am flying to. Okay. So if you guys will ask me that okay ma'am which aircraft do you fly, you can also ask me that on which fleet you are on. So basically you are asking me that which aircraft you are on. Understood? So fleet you can say a type of aircraft which you fly. Did you get that, Meena? So Boeing 777s are different fleet, Airbus 380s are different fleet, Airbus 320s are different fleet. Okay, so basically different types of aircraft is called the fleet. So all the fleets have a different fleet numbers. Okay.
Ma'am, fleet. Hello.
Yes. Yes,
Fleet, ma'am, fleet.
Fleet.
What's
Yes.
their spelling, please, ma'am?
FLEET. Fleet number.
Okay, thanks. Fleet number, okay. Okay, thanks.
Okay. Any other? Any other questions, guys? In the same one?
Ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am, on page number 46.
Wait, 46, yes.
Some of the codes are given. This is triple 001. So we have to learn this.
0001. Where is that 0001?
After squat.
No. No. That's airline code.
Yeah.
No. You don't need to memorize all these. You just need to understand. I mean, you guys know wherever you are right now in your city, you know your airport's name. So, like you are in Bombay, so you that's what you call Chhatrapati Shivaji.
CST.
Yeah. So, what you need to know is the airport code. So, what are the airport codes? Just have a look on the on this page where it says airport code. So, Hyderabad airport code is HYD. Okay. So, what does that mean? Whenever you are flying from one place to another, on your boarding pass, it says the airport code of that particular place to the particular place. For example, if you are flying from Delhi to Hyderabad, so it says the flight from DEL to HYD. Okay, so you should know these airport codes. You don't need to remember this. Again, I'm saying once you will start flying, you will see these codes every day, and then it will be very easy for you to understand. But like Hyderabad, Bombay we use BOM.
BOM. No.
Yeah, BOM. For Chandigarh is IXC. So different. So just need to remember the basic one. You don't need to remember all of them. Of course, if somebody will ask you, or if tomorrow there will be an exam, could be a possibility that they will ask you to write the airport code of few airports. But those airports must be famous airports, right? Not a very. I will not ask you to write an airport code of Gwalior, right? So if you can see Hyderabad, Patna,
Ready.
Ranchi, Chandigarh, Srinagar, Mumbai, Bhubaneswar, Jaipur, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow. So the famous airports. Just remember those. Okay? Understood?
Yes.
So, but airline code, Shubham, you don't need to learn these airline codes. That's nothing to do with you. This is something the airline. So you, at one point of time, you are working with one airline. So you will get to know. Don't worry. All right. Okay. So this is aviation management. Do you have any question regarding the previous class which we had that day? Any doubt? Why I'm saying this? Because now I have been told that you guys need to prepare a presentation. Those who are taking the class from the very first day. Okay, so I will give you a topic, and on that topic you need to make a presentation. When I say presentation, that means you will be sitting fully groomed, kind of. You also need to make a video of that, where you are explaining everything about that particular topic. For example, we took the topic of turbulence, right? So you are sitting in front of the system, fully groomed in your formals, and you are speaking about that topic. Okay? So how many of you are very familiar with that app which is called Loom? No? Okay. Okay, if you are not, then do one thing. Do you guys know how to make a presentation? All of you?
No.
Ma'am, is it a video presentation?
In Amazon.
Sorry?
Ma'am.
Yeah, PPT. Right, Microsoft PowerPoint.
Yes.
How many of you are able to do that?
Ma'am, Arjun.
Okay. Meena?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, how many lectures you have to attend to do that?
I'm sorry?
Like from the start only people can do? From the start to
Yeah.
attend the lecture?
You just joined?
No, 1 week only we came.
When did you join?
Sorry?
When did you join, I'm asking?
This is your third lecture for me. So according like 2 weeks maybe.
Alright, so no, you will not, because you will not be aware of the content I'm talking about, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So I'm saying this to the people who have taken my class from the very first day, and those know which topic I'm talking about. Alright, guys. So if you know how to make a presentation, make a presentation. But in that presentation, I'm repeating, you should be. It's not like it's everything is on the PPT. You're supposed to explain that, okay? And you are explaining this, and you are sitting fully groomed in your formals, and then you are explaining. So you should be there also. It's not everything is on the PPT. Did you get my point?
Ma'am, it's like we have to make the PPT, then we have to share our screen and explain.
Exactly. So if you are comfortable with that, very good. If you are not, then just make a video of it. Okay, so sit in front of the system, record yourself, fully groomed, formal, and talk about that topic. You need to do the announcements also. So this is a project for you, and you have to make it interesting. You have to make it what do I say? You should know where to add the announcement, when to do the announcement. It should not be monotonous that you are just sitting and doing the announcement, and then you are explaining that particular topic. So this is a kind of project they have asked me to tell you. So they will then you will submit it, and then they will choose one of the topic, and they will upload on their YouTube channel. Okay, and obviously you will get some prize or something like that for that. Okay, so whosoever will do the best, their video will be uploaded on the YouTube channel, and secondly you will get a prize for that. So now I need to tell you that on which topic you will talk about, because everyone will talk about the different topic, and you have to make it interesting in any ways. I mean, you should know that how to make it interesting. Don't make it very boring so that the other person will sleep and will not be interested in listening to you.
Ma'am, I'm confused that it should be pre-recorded or we have to present it at the same time?
No, you have to record it.
So it's difficult to record a presentation which is on the laptop and with a video presentation of ours. How can
That's what I'm saying. If you are not able to do it, then don't go and do the PPT. You just sit in front of the system and talk about the particular topic.
And I will do that, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine. If you can't do, that's why I asked how many of you are comfortable with the PPTs and all. If you are not very comfortable, that's okay. Just
No, actually I'm comfortable, but I don't know how to record it, like the PPT.
So if you are doing the PPT, we have to edit it, I guess.
you have to, of course. So you need to add, you need to edit, you need to add. So that's a little lengthy work.
Okay.
So otherwise, they have asked me to give you that. Just check your chat box. That's the name of the app, Zoom. So download that app and try to work on that. If you are able to get it through, if you get the idea of that app, work on it. Make the presentation on that or record yourself on that. If you cannot, then just do the recording on your phone or on your laptop and just submit it.
Now, what's the subject of presentation?
Sorry?
Subject of presentation.
Okay, that's why I'm telling you, Krishna, you might not be aware of those things, because I will give everyone a different topic. So because you were not there, so I will not ask you to make any presentation on that. Okay?
Okay.
Ma'am, also the topics which we missed, when are they gonna repeat?
We will repeat it soon. Once these people are done with their thing, then might be we will start from the scratch, from the very first.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay, cool. Okay, guys. So try this Loom app. If you are able to work on it, well and good. Work on it. If you are not, then just record yourself on your cell phones and send Nargis ma'am or send us the videos. You must have the email IDs. Okay. So as I said, it should be interesting. It should not be boring. Announcements should be added, and how and when you will add the announcement, it's all up to you. But it should be interesting. It should not look very monotonous that you are just doing the announcement first and then you are just sitting and explaining. Just add some fun factors, add something interesting so that the other person would love to listen to you. Okay? and you should be fully groomed and in your formals. Okay? It's a kind of project which you are getting. You tell me how much time do you guys need for that, because today is what, Friday? So will you be able to submit it by Monday? You just need 2-3 hours for that, max to max, not more than that.
We have another assignment of Smita ma'am on Wednesday.
On
Next Wednesday.
on Wednesday. Okay, so Wednesday is like, so you can do this by Monday then.
I have a doubt. Please tell me the Smita ma'am's assignments topic.
What?
Smita ma'am's assignment topic.
I didn't get that.
Subject of our assignment. That's why I'm asking you. You know? Do you know it?
I have no idea what you are talking about, Krishna. Can you type it down because your voice is not clear?
Okay.
Alright guys, tell me quickly that can you submit it on Monday?
Yes, ma'am, we can do
I'm
that
trying.
topics.
Yeah, topics we will discuss just right now. Okay. So who wants to take the topic decompression?
Ma'am.
Shubham?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? You want decompression?
Any topic I think.
No, you tell me, I'm asking.
Fine.
Okay. So I'm giving you decompression. Okay, who wants turbulence?
Yeah,
I won't.
you can do.
Okay, we can.
Decide among yourselves.
If you want, then take me back. No problem.
Okay. Ma'am, I want.
Okay, Amura. Veena, you tell me what do you want? How about duties and responsibilities?
Yes.
That's fine. Okay, one more thing, this duty and responsibility. If someone is asking you a role of a cabin crew role of a cabin crew, not role of a cabin crew, a day in a cabin crew's life. So what will be in that? So, okay. So phases of flight, and this comes under duties and responsibilities, but a day in a cabin crew's life is also come under the phases of flight itself, because you are explaining the whole day of a cabin crew, the time he or she comes to the airport till the time of landing. So this is also comes under a day in a cabin crew's life. So either you can say, instead of saying duties and responsibilities of a cabin crew, it's better if you say a day in a cabin crew's life.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. So if I am explaining it, I should be explaining in that way, like day in cabin crew's life.
Yeah, explain that way. Don't talk about the phases, but talk about each and everything.
Yes.
Okay, just don't give a heading of phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, but you have to cover each and everything inside that phase.
Yes, I got it.
So, like you just say that, okay, we come to the airport, we do this, we do that, then we move to the airport once we are done with everything. Then, once we reach the aircraft, we do the pre-flight checks, we do the catering, then boarding will happen, what you do in boarding, how do you brief the passengers, then take off, okay? Like this.
Yeah.
But just don't talk about or don't give a heading of phase 1, phase 2. Alright? Okay, Divya, now you tell me.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
That's what I'm thinking. What should I take?
Okay. How about hijacking? Or maybe, hijacking or ditching or any one emergency which you want to take.
I'm fine with anything, ma'am.
Okay, so do one thing then, Divya. Talk about a planned and unplanned emergency.
Okay.
Okay, what do we do in planned emergency, the night shooting and all that? Okay,
Okay.
and just to make it a little bigger, add one planned emergency of any instance of one planned emergency in that.
Like ditching or
Yeah, like ditching, like
Crash landing.
landing your crash landing, anything. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Who left?
Ma'am, I'm Marvin.
Yes, Marvin.
I need a topic.
Marvin, you have not attended any of my class, so you might not be able to do it. What you guys can do is those who have just came to my class. What you guys can do is okay. You guys just do the announcements, record and send it to me.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do it.
Okay, so when I say announcements, that means you just Google any announcement. First, you're supposed to do it in Hindi and then you do it in English.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So Google any
Okay.
announcement or check it on YouTube, write it down on a piece of paper, and you need to revise it, you need to practice it, stand in front of a mirror, practice it again and again, okay? And once you are
Okay.
very thorough with it, then record it,
Okay, thank you.
okay? So this is for all the new people who just joined. You guys need to do the announcement, Google it, YouTube, take it from the YouTube. First you're supposed to do it in Hindi and then you do it in English, practice it, and then just record it and send it to me. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, we don't have
Okay.
to do the announcement, no?
Of course you have to. That's what I'm saying. You should be smart enough to adjust those announcements somewhere or the other. For example, I gave you planned and unplanned emergency, right? So something regarding planned emergency, just in between, just add, for example, the crew came out of the cockpit and he or she is doing an announcement. So what announcement? You will do that announcement in between that. So that's how your announcement will be covered in between. Okay? Okay, Krishna, first thing, dangerous good label. I'm not doing dangerous goods with you guys because these cabin crew, they are not very aware of it. If you know about dangerous goods and you are very thorough with it, do it. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
If you are aware about the dangerous goods and everything, very good. Just make a presentation on that.
Okay.
Alright? Great. And
Alright. Okay.
along with the announcement. Alright. Who's left? Trisha? Which topic do you want? Would you like to talk about cheese and service?
Cheese and service. Okay.
Okay?
Okay. 4 types of cheese.
Yeah, cheese and service. So,
Cheese and service.
and talk about service a little bit in that.
Mm.
Okay? So not only cheese, that we have 4 types of cheese, this and that, that's fine. But you need to add something into it. Understood?
No.
Anything regarding the service, that how you do the service, how do you serve cheese, how cheese goes with what. Okay? Okay, Shilka, you tell me now.
And the biggest topic, grooming, is left.
Biggest topic?
Grooming.
Grooming. Who wants to take grooming? Grooming is a very vast topic. I mean, I want someone who is very thorough with it and talk about the right things. Will take that. So the one who thinks that he or she can do it, especially she, because guys doesn't have to do much in grooming. Divya, do you think you can do that better?
I don't know, I'm fine with anything. I can do anything.
Because you just said that, so that's why I'm asking. If you are more comfortable with that, you think you can do that better, do it.
Okay, I'm fine with grooming. I'll do grooming section.
Okay, great. Shilka, you tell me. Yes. Hmm? What do you want? Tell me, what do you want? Beverages. So you should explain all the beverages. It's a very big topic, okay? So alcoholic, non-alcoholic, cold, hot, spirits, whiskey, scotch, everything, gin, rum, how to serve, everything should be explained well. Alright? Anjali, which topic do you want?
Ma'am, 3 weeks back.
Sorry, what? I can't hear you.
3 weeks back only I have joined, ma'am. I know what.
You did not join 3 days back. You were there in my class.
Ma'am, 3 weeks back, ma'am.
Yeah, 3 weeks back. I mean, 3 weeks are a hell lot of time. I mean, what all topics have been covered in your class when you were there? Which topic have been covered in last 3 weeks when you were there?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one I'm asking?
Hijack.
Hijacking has been done in my initial classes.
to revise it now, ma'am. This time I have.
What do you want to take?
Turbulence, ma'am. I'll take that.
Turbulence has been given to someone else already. Anjali,
Yes, ma'am.
say it. I don't have this much of time. You were in my class from last 3 weeks. I just want to know what all topics has been covered when you were there. Have you ever listened anything in the class? Do you remember anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Then say it.
You only give me the
I'm giving you hypoxia then,
Okay, ma'am.
because that was the last topic which we were talking about. So hypoxia, you have to make it a explain each and everything and make it for like 10 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Alright? 7 to 10 minutes should be the time duration of that. Okay, who else? Who's left? Oh God. Please add Krishna to the group. Please add him first, we'll talk later.
Yeah. Ma'am, only faculty can add it.
That's what I am saying. Ki you guys just contact the faculty.
Oh God. Okay, who is there? Those who have attended the class from the very first day.
Ma'am.
Alina. Yes, Alina.
I will take the topic 5 situations we had to take initiative to evacuate the passengers.
How to evacuate the passenger?
5 situations that we have to take initiative.
Right. Okay, great. So 5 situations. Okay, good, Alina. So you talk about that. So now you have to add announcement in this in between also. So you know how to do that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else who has attended the class from the very first day? There are only 8 people so far. Ashwin?
Can take aviation.
Sorry?
Aviation.
What? Are you
What
right?
you're talking about?
Wait. On what? Aviation. The last topic which we just did?
That's fine.
Aviation management. Okay, aviation, fine. Let's just talk about it. But in this, you need to talk about DGCA, ICAO, and customs, immigration, everything. Okay?
That's fine.
Okay, alright, great. Okay, anyone else? Trisha, Veena, Shankar,
Once again, ma'am.
I'm sorry?
Can you repeat once again? I didn't take it, ma'am.
I can't hear you. Your voice is not clear. Could you please write it down in the chat box? Xavier? Xavier?
Ma'am, can just 1 second, can you take it away?
Xavier, what topic do you want? Why you are not talking when I'm asking that who all are there?
Yes, I came early.
What?
Then add me in group, please. Okay.
Xavier, which topic do you want? Quickly tell me.
Ma'am, I so wish.
Just write it down in the chat box. I can't hear you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm making PPTs. Hello.
Okay, that's fine. But you have to explain that also.
Ma'am, then I can take help of pictures and all the animations.
That's okay, Shubham, but the idea is that you are explaining those things.
Yes, ma'am. Background, my voice will be there.
Okay, then it's fine.
Thank you.
Xavier, what topic should I give you? Just give me 2 minutes. She's just done vacuum. Okay, so do you want to take that planned and unplanned emergencies? Xavier, is that okay with you?
Ma'am, will I take the topic cheese?
You want cheese?
Yes, ma'am.
It's already been given to someone else. You are too late. When I ask you guys to come forward and talk about it, tell me what you want, you guys just hide behind the camera. And now you want that one. That already been given to Trisha and she wants to talk about that. And she came first. So now I'm giving you planned and unplanned emergency. In unplanned emergency and planned emergency, you have to do night's briefing and everything. To the point. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ankita, you can take emergency equipments, that's fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, who else is there? Any old student is still there?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Trisha.
one more topic please give me to Avishna. She is absent today.
Or who?
Avishna.
Avishna. Okay. Let me see. What else is left?
Ma'am, hijacking student.
Okay, so I'll give her hijacking. So tell him that his topic is hijacking.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else? Alina done. Anjali done. Anjali. He's doing hypoxia. Ankita done. Ashwin, Divya. Okay, I guess everybody is done. The 12 of you, those who have attended the class from the very first day. Whereas those are new, you guys need to do the announcements only. And Krishna is doing the dangerous goods along with the announcements. So everybody will do the announcement, and these 12 people, those who have given the topics, you guys have to complete these topics and submit this on Monday. Okay? So this is a project for you guys, and you will get marks, you will get rewarded for that. So give your best, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Duration of the video will be dependent on the topic.
So don't make it very short. Make it for like at least for 7 to 10 minutes. And if it is more than that, that's fine, but should not be less than 7 minutes. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, if you're making the presentation like PPT, then like we have to.
I can't hear you. I don't know, there was something wrong with my system or what. I'm not getting your voice properly. Yeah, say it again.
I mean, if we are making the PPT, then we have to add our voice into that, right?
Yes. But you are explaining it.
Yes,
So
I got
if
it.
you are making PPT, then make sure you are doing the announcement. Okay, just do it the way you want. I don't want to give so many inputs and mess it up. So try to do your best. But yes, your voice should be there. That means you are explaining all the things.
Okay, ma'am, I'll try it. If I'm not able to, then I'll do the video.
Yes, your wish, you can do both ways.
Ma'am, in PPT we can add animations to it.
Yes, that will be great because it will be more interactive.
Okay, fine.
Okay, any other question anyone has?
Ma'am, is this the only project?
Who was saying this?
Felcia.
This is the only project means what?
Means only this, like I am a new student, like I am not the part of this project now. So
Yes, because you have not taken all the classes. So once you are done with all the classes, we will give you another project.
okay.
Okay. So this time I'm asking you guys to do the announcements only because you will be a part of the project, and then you will not feel left out, first thing. And the second thing, your announcement revisions will be done. Alright, so all of these, they're supposed to do announcement every Monday. So they have told the announcements, and they have we practice the announcements every day here. Sorry, every Monday on the class, in the class. So you will get the revision, and also you will be a part of project like that. So once you are done with all the topics, you will do the same thing as they are doing today.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Anything else?
Ma'am, the video can be 3 to 4 minutes ka only, na? The announcement part. Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yes, for announcement, 3-4 minutes more than enough.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
can we look into the book and read and it should be by heart?
So make it a little better. If you are recording it on a laptop, just open the notepad in front of you and do it, so that you don't have to bend down all the time and look into the notebook and then look into the camera. So if it is on the screen in front of you and you are reading from the screen, it will look good. And it will not even look that you are reading it from the notebook. Did you get my point?
Yes.
So on the screen, on the notepad, just type it down.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is Rohit, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot see anything, ma'am. Hello.
Rohit, first of all, I'm talking to someone, so let me finish that and then interrupt. Okay? What I was saying, Veena?
Yeah, ma'am. Like, should we by heart it or not?
Yeah, so if you are on a laptop or if you are on a phone, phone it will be difficult, but then yes, of course you can read it from the paper, but you can do one thing, just put the paper in front of you and look at the paper and then read and do the announcement instead of looking down and then to the camera and looking down and then to the camera. That will look more nice.
Yeah, yes. Okay.
Okay, no problem. Yes, Rohit, you were saying something?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually my internet connection is so slow, ma'am. Ma'am, my
Okay.
connection is so slow, I cannot see anything, I cannot hear properly, ma'am.
So what do you want me to do?
Ma'am, you just write in the chat box, ma'am. What you're saying, just write it. Ma'am, the topic, ma'am, the important topic.
Well, I was talking about the project which you guys need to do and submit on Monday.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I'm a new student, so I'm having a doubt that which announcement that should I do?
Any announcement, it's all up to your choice. Everybody has chosen their announcement. I have not asked anybody to do a particular announcement. So whatever you are comfortable with and whatever you want to do, you can do it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, tell about WhatsApp group. Please add me.
Sorry, what?
Add me in WhatsApp group and send PDF files. That's useful to me.
Krishna, they will send it to you. Don't get panicked.
Okay, sir.
They will add you. They will send you the PDF file. Don't get scared.
Okay. Thank you.
Anyone else have a question?
I have missed my announcement, ma'am. Can I do it now?
You need to record it. And Rohit, you have attended all the classes, right?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Last week I have told you that my auntie has passed away.
Yes, so
Last
you
week,
tell me which topic do you want? Can you
ma'am,
do any emergency, for example, crash landing or ditching?
I can do no, ma'am. I can do the in-flight announcement.
In-flight announcement is everybody is doing. That is not something you are only doing. That is the mandatory thing that everybody is supposed to do. Along with that, you need to explain one topic also. Tell me which topic do you want?
Actually, ma'am, I am not ready, ma'am.
Alright.
I have not gone through the.
So I'm not asking you to do it today. I mean, you can do it you have to submit it on Monday.
Okay, ma'am. I will do it on Monday, ma'am.
What will you do?
I think he thinks that he has to do that now.
She is confused.
Now I am not ready, ma'am.
Rohit, we are not doing it today. You have to record it. Alright? You have to sit in front of your system, record it in your performance, record the whole session along with the announcement, and then submit it on Monday.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, where to submit? In the WhatsApp group?
On the WhatsApp group, yes, if you have the email IDs, you can send it to the email ID. But it's great if you will send it on the WhatsApp group.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
Because you can see everybody's and everybody can see yours.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
I'll
Okay,
ask them to add me to the WhatsApp group also.
okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay.
So which topic you want?
Ma'am, crash landing.
Okay, great.
And the presentation is just in note or video, not short video.
I can't hear you, Krishna.
The presentation is a video or notes.
It will be on the video.
Okay. Then okay. Thanks, ma'am.
So I think I'll call it off for today. Alright guys. So I'll see you guys on Monday, and just be prepared. Do it nicely and make it interesting. So if any one of will be the best one, as I told you, will be on the YouTube channel, and also you will get a prize for that. So give your best shot. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
To make it interesting, it's all up to you how you will make it interesting, and what will be the best thing you can do. And also one more thing, they asked me to tell you that the best video also will be the top 2 or top 3 best videos will be your batch. They will refer to that particular videos all the time, and they will show it to the new students. And the first top 3 or top 2 videos, something like that. So give it your best. Any question do you have?
No, ma'am.
Any doubts? Any question? Yes, Meena?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
You sure? Everyone is sure? I'm really sorry I did not switch on the camera. I'm looking really pathetic, and I can't even talk much.
Ma'am, did you do the test, ma'am?
Oh yeah, luckily it's not COVID.
Okay, thanks for it.
Yeah, but it was kind of bad from last few days. It's really bad.
Ma'am, actually, I missed that test you took on Monday, one day, now.
Yeah, you were not there. Yes.
You know about the power cuts in Gurgaon, so that's why that day when I had power cut for like 2 days.
Oh God. Okay, no worry, Divya. I'll take your test maybe later sometime. Don't worry about that.
So it's like just I'm ready whenever you.
Okay, so yeah, even few more people I need to take their test. I've written down their names. So just be ready. Any day I can ask you that I want to take your test today. Just be ready with that.
Yeah, no problem.
Ma'am, can you please give me a topic for Janvi?
Janvi. Okay, you tell me what topic should I give her. Tell me. Give me
Five emergency situations in the novel.
That's already been given to Alina, the 5 situations.
First aid portion.
Sorry?
The first aid.
I didn't get that.
Ma'am, the
Telling
first aid.
first aid.
First aid?
Yes, ma'am.
First aid, we have not done anything, Nina. First aid is almost that's the basic thing.
The vital checking and all, like CPR.
CPR we have not done.
Okay.
They can have an emergency door criteria.
Yeah, yes.
Or a woman with baby.
Ma'am, I'm also not getting topic.
Okay, that means you guys just join or what? Okay, let me think about it.
Ma'am, for January, you have taken the organization and association. That's CPCA, ICAO, and
Ma'am,
AAI.
take it from even airport management. Now we have done 3 models.
What I cannot take from airport management, Divya, because this is something to do with some other teacher. And I can't even judge you on that. You know, I can't mark you on that. Okay, so how to fight the fire? I have told you that, right? Fighting the fire. Yes or no? Oh, that's a very small topic. Fighting the fire.
Yes, ma'am.
Ramesh, you tell me, what do you want?
Fighting into fire, that topic.
You want that fighting the fire, but that's a very small topic. You need to add something along with it. So, you will do fighting the fire. What else will go with that topic? Fighting the fire. So when I say fighting the fire, you have to explain where the fire is. For example, you have to explain if the fire is in the lavatory. Then you have to explain that what all you need to do when there is a fire. How will you get to know there is a fire? You will get a indication in the cabin. Then how you will fight the fire, what if, you will don the PPE, then you will take the fire extinguisher. Then how you will fight the fire means you have to maintain a distance of 6 feet at least. You have to aim at the base of the fire. You have to explain everything in that, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So in between, do the announcement also.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, for Janvi can be like different types of briefing. The two briefing which we done on the arrival as well as with the emergency door and the mother.
So that's actually the criteria, right? Who will sit at the emergency exit and all that. So ask her to do the briefings. I mean, she needs to act like there is a passenger sitting on the emergency exit and she is briefing that passenger that how to operate that window.
So with emergency door.
Emergency door. So she need to act that, and then she will act that she is briefing a mother with infant also, because that is a very small topic.
Yeah.
So she actually need to stand, and there could be a person sitting on the emergency exit, and she has to act that she is explaining that person how to operate that window. Then she has to move to another person who is a lady with an infant. She is briefing that lady also. Okay, so lady with an infant, mother with infant, and emergency criteria, emergency briefing. She needs to do both the briefings. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. I hope she will act. Yeah. Yeah, I think she will, because she knows the class till then. So.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, Xavier.
Ma'am, can I do a announcement also?
You have to. Everybody has to do the announcement along with the topic. Okay? It's not like I'm giving you topics and you are just doing the topics. No, you need to do the announcements along with that. Announcement is the most mandatory thing as a cabin crew. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So along with the topic, you need to do the announcement and try to add the announcement in between the topic so that it will not look weird that you are doing a different announcement. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Alright.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Rohit, chief has been given to someone else already. I'm sorry.
Okay, ma'am.
All the topics has been given. So now whatever topic you got, just work on that.
Crash landing.
Hmm. Yes, crash landing. All right. All right. Anyone has any questions now? I think we'll call it off for today then. And I'll. Yes, Prisha.
I have to add how to prepare the cheese.
Yes, you have to talk about that also.
Okay. Also, in a short video, how to prepare cheese.
Yes, cheese is a very small topic. That's what I'm
Okay.
saying. You have to do the what do you call that, service and how to serve.
Okay, ma'am. I just talk about how to prepare cheese, like add milk, some lemon juice.
Do whatever you want to do.
Okay.
It's your project. Make it good. Do whatever you want to do. What do you think will look good in it? Is appropriate? Do it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Any other question, anyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right, then I'll see you guys on Monday. And all the best with your projects. And do your best, okay?
Tomorrow and Sunday is holiday.
Sorry, Krishna.
Tomorrow and Sunday holiday.
Yeah, Saturday, Sunday is an off.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right.
Thank you,
Enjoy
ma'am.
your meeting, guys.
Take care.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Take care, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.